Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about whether or not you can add ESPN Plus to YouTube TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com, and what I can tell you is that you cannot directly add ESPN Plus as a feature or add-on to YouTube TV. However, YouTube TV does offer various ESPN channels, and let's go ahead and take a closer look at what we have available to us. So if we go up here at the top right-hand corner, you'll see this icon that looks like a little shopping bag. If we click on that and we select sports, then you're going to see here the various sports options that we have. However, if we look at the base plan here, and we'll just go ahead and click next there. And here you can see, let's go ahead and click on more info, and you'll see the various channels that you have access to. And you can see here that we have ESPN. We also have ESPN2, and we even have ESPN News. So if you get that base plan, then you are going to be gaining access to quite a few of the options that ESPN has to offer. However, ESPN Plus specifically is not available with YouTube TV. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can make your essays fast, easy, and personalized with My Stylus AI. My Stylus AI-powered text editor helps you write, edit, and cite with confidence. Save hours on your next essay. And if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you can get 10% off your subscription. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.